Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Tuesday, guys. I have a small Temu haul here. I wasn't able to get out to the Dollar Tree because actually I'm filming this a day ahead of time because my husband has an appointment today. Well, you guys are watching this, we're probably not even home yet. It's about, I don't know, it's about an hour and a half drive. And it's going to be the worst time of day to drive because it's early morning. And it's not going to be fun. So I'm already prepared for that. But anyway, I got some Temu stuff. It actually came Sunday night at 9:15 at night. It only took a week to get here. I didn't expect to have this yet at all, but I figured I'd share with you what I got since I didn't get a chance to get to Dollar Tree because, you know, like I said, running around with stuff again this week. But I will get a haul up for Friday for sure for Dollar Tree. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, let me turn this a little bit this way. Oh, I'll have my other light on. I always forget to turn this back on when I'm done. Look at a difference that makes. All right, first thing I got, I can't even give you the number for this because I didn't order this. I don't know if it's just a gift from them or what, but it's this whole pack of these really cool, clear Christmas stickers. There are just, I don't even, does it say how many are in here? No, it doesn't say anything. But yeah, they're actually really pretty, clear Christmas stickers. And whoops, I'm dropping them all over the place. I mean, there's a ton of them in here. There's got to be at least 50. Look at this cute little kitty cat sticker. These would be great for on cards or anything. They're just adorable. But yeah, like I said, I did not order these, so I don't know if they just sent it as a little gift or by accident or what, but they're really, really cute. And there's tons of them in here. I mean, yeah, I would imagine there's probably at least 50. Oh, look at the snowman. There's just so many. I'm having a hard time getting a hold of them because they're very slippery. And they're nice because they're nice and clear when you go to put them on something. But look how cute these are. But anyway, you could go on Temu and just check out their clear back stickers or whatever they call them. I don't even know what they call them. But I figured I'd show you quick. But I was pleasantly surprised. They have all kinds of really cool stickers on Temu. So, yeah, that was my little bonus. All right, I did pick up a bunch of letters to use. I have the black ones here and I have white ones. It's a 5-piece set of vinyl stickers, and they are $3.38 a pack. You get 5 sheets, and this one is all little smaller, oops, upside down, black letters. And it's nice because there's multiples on each page, you know, of the letters that you use a lot of. So that's pretty cool. So I got them in black, and then I also got a set in white. And same thing, it was 5 sheets, $3.38. So, and I will link all this stuff except those stickers. I'll put the links to that underneath this video in the information box under here in case anybody wants to check out any of this stuff. These are transfer stickers, 12-piece transfer stickers. These were $5.14. Now these are the kind you could put like on a cup or a glass or pretty much anything that these stick to. There's really nice, this one doesn't say. I'll tell you what they are on the other one that I have. It just says multicolor. Now this one doesn't say, but they're really, really nice. So you get a set of 12 all different little stickers, like vinyl transfers. They're transfer stickers. When you put them on, you know, they look really cool. And what I say they were? Yeah, these were $5.14. So got those. All right, here's the other letters that I got. I got a pack of these, and this is another one. This is a 6-piece, and these are the vinyl transfer ones, which is really cool. So I got a pack of those. They were $4.56, and like I said, you get 6 pages, has multiple letters on each page. Someday, if I ever learn how to use my Cricut machine, I could make these myself, but still have not even attempted that. This is another one, 6-piece, $4.56 for these transfers. And these are, I don't know if you can see them too good, but they're white letters. And yeah, I love the transfer stickers, so those will be nice for projects since I'm not good with lettering. And yeah, there you go. Now these I thought were really pretty for fall. This is another one of these. What are they calling these? Sunflower. Same thing. These are those transfer stickers. But these are big ones, like you could wrap around, like, you know, a vase, anything, and to put these onto. And look how pretty these are. These were $4.67 for 4 of these. And they're really, really pretty. But you can read, you know, if you look at the link on these, it'll explain to you a little more. I have one here that does have it on there, and I can't find it yet. But aren't they pretty? And this is just one big transfer sticker. So, look at that. I love those. I think those are so pretty. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them on yet, but we're going to think of something. And then I have these here. Same kind of sticker. Why don't I have, maybe I just, it's on the description. But this is a 12-piece for $5.33, and I thought these were real nice too. Like I said, you could put these on coffee cups, glasses, wood, anything. You could use them on cards if you want to. But yeah, look at all these pretty stickers. I love them. Love, love, love them. And they're nice, it's a nice clear background. There's like no edge to it whatsoever. They're just really nice. And then I got this one here. These are rub-on transfers also. And these were $2.47 for these cutesy little penguins. Look at these guys. This was just one sheet of these. But aren't they nice? I think those are adorable. Love them. I can't remember. I thought on one of these it gave a better description. I don't know. You're going to have to look if you're interested in any of these, because I just can't remember exactly what they are called as far as how the, you know, what they're made of and how they work. But I don't know. I always think I have everything written down that I need. But anyway, these are transfer stickers also. Then I got these cutesy little candy canes. There's 50 of them in here. They could use for little DIY projects. Let me get one out of there. There they are. That's the size of them. They're small, but great for little DIY projects or whatever. You could stick these in a card or whatever, you know, just for a little something. Or just to decorate with them. And like I said, there's 50 of them for $2.80. I love all the little embellishments that they have. I have so many that I haven't used yet from last year. Alright, then I bought a bunch of sweaters, and I love this one here. These are so soft. This one was $15.15, and this is the light green one that I got. But oh my goodness, these are so nice. I love their sweaters. These things wash, they wear, they don't pill, they don't fade, they don't anything. I had some last year that I wore, and they wash and wear like crazy. So I picked up a bunch more this year. But yeah, this one's so soft. And they're not the heavyweights. I can't stand a heavy sweater. I'd rather, you know, put one of these on and then throw on another sweater if it's too chilly. But I can't stand anything too heavy. And I got this one here. This one's a cardigan. This one's really pretty. It's got like this ribbed edge. It goes down and it's round at the bottom. And you have your pockets on each side. So I thought that would be a pretty color. Pretty much you can wear this with anything. And yeah, and look, it's got that nice, it's just so soft, guys. It's just super soft. And then I like the way the bottom is done also on this one. It has that nice seam around the edge. But yeah, I love that one. That one was $16.10. I do think that their clothing, their prices are going up a little bit. Not too bad though. I mean, compared to other places, not bad at all. And they do, like I said, they wash and wear it like crazy. So then I got another one of these really nice soft ones here. This one was $13.91 in this pretty purple. I love these. And I always get them a little bit bigger because I love the, you know, comfort in the wintertime with these nice fluffy sweaters. But if, oh, I wish you guys could feel this. Can you feel that through there? No? Take my word for it. They're so soft. And they're long. I like that they're not, you know, real short sweaters. They go down, you know, like over your hips and stuff. So really nice. But like I always say, each one of these, check the sizes because sometimes they run different sizes depending on your measurements. I always go by bust size, and that's pretty much, I've had good luck with that as far as anything from Temu. All right, now I got this gray. This one's dark gray. This one was $7.70, and this is just another pullover sweater. And again, super soft. And I just love the ribbing and stuff, the way they have these made. But yeah, they're so comfy. They just are. Trust me, they're comfy. But this one has more like of a rounded edge to it on the bottom. I like that too. I like that a lot. So, what did I say? That was $7.70. I thought that was pretty good for that. And then the last one I got here is another. This is kind of like a blue gray. What are they calling this? Does it have it on here by any chance? I am. They're calling this peacock blue. This one was $14.51 too. This is another cardigan because I love those in the winter. I like to take these with me wherever I go, especially in restaurants and stuff. I'm always taking a cardigan with me because you never know. But it's so pretty. This one has nice cuffs on the ends too. And they're just, like I said, I can't say it enough how comfortable these are and how well that they wash. I mean, I just don't do anything special with these. They just go in with the regular laundry. And yeah, what are they? They are 65 polyester, 35 rayon. So yeah, they don't really wrinkle or anything. They're just really nice sweaters. So I have a couple from last year. I think I have like maybe 3 or 4 of this type of sweater. So I think I'm set for this winter with these. But that's it. That's what I got from Temu this time. I'm just so excited. I'm going to wash all these up before I wear them. And it's just what I do. And put that way in my closet. But yeah, I'll link all these below, all this stuff here. I'll go grab Little P since I'm not doing a haul this week. And I'll bring him in for his visit. Oh, I just dropped his wood on the floor. And I'll be right back. All right, Little P, come say hi. Get my glasses back on. I brought him a peanut today to see if he wants that because he hasn't had one in here for a while. Would you like one? Not my finger. Do you want peanut? You haven't had peanut in a while. No, I know. I hear the trucks out there again. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Someday they're going to be gone. Right? They got to finish this road eventually. Don't they? Huh, P? Whoops, sorry. Let me move. This chair squeaks. Want me to open it for you? Yeah, since I'm pre-recording this here, today's actually Monday that I'm getting this done. So right now, when everybody's watching this, you can tell them how mad you are because you're probably in your cage until we get home. Yeah. So eat the peanut now, be happy. No, are you mad already? Did you hear me talking about it? Look, I got all this peanut for you. You're just going to have to stay in your cage till we get home and play with your toys and be happy. No, you're going to bite me today. I'm glad you like me. You don't want... Do you want your piece of wood? Oh gosh, what'd I do with it? Oh, here it is. It fell. That's right. When I was talking. Do you want your piece of wood? No, you don't want that either? I know, these people out there are driving him crazy. Huh. I promise they're going to be gone. I promise. They have to finish sooner or later. They put all those drains in out here, And now that they were getting ready to start working, getting everything, the road straightened out and getting ready to finally pave it after 1.5 years of putting in drains, that they realized that the drains are too low. Yeah. So now what they're doing is they have to put more concrete on top of the ones that they already did. What are you doing? So once again, it's just more work out here, more noise. Ugh. We hear that beeping in our sleep, don't we? I'm gonna eat your peanut. We hear that beeping in our sleep. Yep, they start out here every day, 7 a.m., Monday through Friday. Luckily last week we had a holiday. I'm eating your peanut. What are you looking at? Oh, there's a dog toy down here this time. One of those guys brought this in from outside. Look how dirty that is. It's a dog toy. Woo woo. Yeah, puppy probably hid it in here. That can get out of here. I know you don't want it. There's nothing else down there. I have no clue why he finds that so interesting. There's nothing, babe. I don't know. You sure you don't want the last peanut? Come on. Come on. No, come back up here. People can't see your beautiful little face. There you go. Last one. I'm going to eat it. No. You're a weirdo anymore. Seriously, he's not been the same since they've been out here working on this stuff. Huh. It's got to be very confusing for all these animals. Oh, is it very confusing? I know. I'm so sorry. Yeah. What do you want to do when we get done here? I know you were out on your play stand in the kitchen being a good boy. You getting sleepy time? Is it sleepy time? Yeah. Is it time for your nap? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I know. You got so much to tell me. I have no clue what you're telling me, but you got a lot. Uh-huh. I know. Yeah. Last chance. Alright. All mine. Want your wood? Alright. Well, we're going to let everybody go. Since I think you need to go take a nap, I could use one myself. I think we should always just go take a nap. Oh, well. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little bitty haul. And I'll see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.